Do you know what is actually slowing down your English speaking? It is not your vocabulary. It is not your grammar. It is one hidden habit that almost every learner has. You think in your native language first, and then you translate into English. That small step is the reason you speak slowly, hesitate, and forget words in the middle of sentences. And here is the truth. As long as you keep translating in your mind, you will never speak English fluently, no matter how much you study. But the good news is this. You can train your brain to think directly in English, and once you do that, your speaking becomes faster, smoother, and more natural. Stay with me, because I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. In this video, you will learn how to think in English without translating and how to speak faster without getting stuck. If you often pause while speaking or feel slow in conversations, this video will help you fix that problem. Make sure you watch till the end, because I will also share a simple daily practice that can change the way you speak. Why you translate in your mind. Most learners do not even realize that they are translating while speaking. It has become a habit. You think in your native language automatically, and then you try to convert that thought into English. This happens because your brain is more comfortable in your first language. It is faster, easier, and natural. So, whenever you want to express something, your brain chooses the easiest path first. But the moment you start translating, your speaking speed drops. Now your brain has to do extra work. It has to think of the sentence, translate it, check the grammar, and then speak. This creates delay and confusion. Because of this delay, you start losing your flow. You pause more, you hesitate, and sometimes you forget what you wanted to say. Even simple sentences start feeling difficult. Another problem with translation is that not every sentence can be translated directly. Different languages have different structures, so your translated sentence often sounds unnatural or incorrect. That is why even if you know the words, your sentences do not come out smoothly. Your brain is busy converting instead of communicating. Also, when you depend on translation, you become mentally tired very quickly. Speaking starts to feel like hard work instead of a natural process. This reduces your confidence and makes you avoid conversations. Over time, this habit becomes stronger. The more you translate, the more your brain depends on it. And the more it depends on it, the harder it becomes to speak fluently without stopping. To become fluent, you need to break this habit. You need to train your brain to think directly in English without going through another language first. And once you start doing that, you will notice a big change. Your speaking will become faster, your pauses will reduce, and you will feel much more confident while expressing your thoughts. Start thinking in simple English first. If you want to stop translating, the first step is not to think in complex English. Most learners make this mistake. They try to think in advanced sentences, and when they cannot, they go back to their native language. Instead, you need to start with very simple English thoughts. Use basic words and short sentences that are easy for your brain to handle. This reduces pressure. For example, instead of forming a long sentence in your mind, start with something small like, I am tired, I need water, or I am going outside. These simple thoughts train your brain step by step. When you keep your thoughts simple, your brain does not need to translate. It can directly form the sentence in English because it is easy and familiar. This is how you build a new thinking habit. You can practice this throughout your day. Describe what you are doing, what you see around you, or what you are planning next. Keep everything in simple English without switching back to your native language. At first, it may feel slow and unnatural. That is completely normal. Your brain is learning a new way of thinking, and it needs time to adjust. Do not try to be perfect. Focus on clarity, not complexity. Even basic sentences are powerful when you use them confidently and consistently. As you continue this practice, your brain will start forming thoughts faster. Slowly, you will move from simple sentences to more detailed ones without translating. And this is where the real change begins. You stop thinking into languages and start thinking directly in English, which makes your speaking much smoother and faster. Train your brain with daily speaking practice. Thinking in English does not improve just by understanding the idea. You need to train your brain through daily speaking practice. Without speaking, your thinking will not become fast or natural. Many learners try to think in English silently, but they do not speak out loud. This creates a gap. Your brain understands the idea, but it is not trained to express it clearly while speaking. When you speak out loud, your brain connects thoughts with words. This makes your recall faster and helps you form sentences more naturally. Speaking turns your passive thinking into active communication. Start with simple practice. Talk to yourself about your day, your plans, or your surroundings. Even if it feels strange, this is one of the most powerful ways to improve. You can also try mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak as if you are talking to someone. This builds confidence and helps you get used to real conversation situations. Another effective method is recording your voice. Speak for 1 or 2 minutes on any topic, then listen to yourself. You will notice your mistakes and improve faster. Consistency is very important here. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily speaking can create strong improvement over time. Your brain needs regular practice to build this habit. As you continue, your thinking speed will increase. You will start forming sentences without translating, and your speaking will feel smoother and more natural. This is how you train your brain step by step to think and speak in English with confidence. Use triggers to force yourself to think in English. If you want to build the habit of thinking in English, you need triggers. A trigger is something that reminds your brain to switch into English mode during your daily life. Without triggers, you will forget to practice and go back to your old habit. You can create simple triggers in your routine. For example, every time you check your phone, think one sentence in English. When you walk outside, describe what you see around you in English. These small actions build consistency. Another powerful trigger is daily activities. While eating, getting ready, or traveling, start talking to yourself in English. Explain what you are doing step by step. This keeps your brain active and engaged. At first, you may forget to do this. That is normal. But the more you repeat these triggers, the more automatic this habit becomes. Your brain slowly starts switching to English without effort. You can also use environment triggers. Change your phone language to English, read small things in English, or watch short content daily. This keeps your brain surrounded by the language. The goal is to make English a part of your daily thinking, not just something you practice for a few minutes. The more exposure you create, the faster your brain adapts. With consistent triggers, your mind will start forming thoughts in English naturally. You will not have to remind yourself again and again. It will start happening on its own. And once this becomes automatic, your speaking speed will increase, your hesitation will reduce, and you will feel much more confident in conversations. So now you understand the real secret to speaking English faster. It is not about learning more vocabulary or memorizing complex grammar. It is about training your brain to think directly in English. When you stop translating and start thinking in simple English, everything becomes easier. Your sentences come out faster, your pauses reduce, and your confidence starts growing naturally. Remember, this is a skill. And like any skill, it improves with daily practice. Even if you start with small sentences, stay consistent. That is what creates real progress. From today, make one decision. Stop translating in your mind and start thinking in English, even if it feels slow at first. If you stay consistent, you will soon notice a big change in your speaking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video. If you are serious about improving, make sure to comment one sentence you thought in English today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with someone who wants to speak English fluently. If you want to improve your English step by step, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you do not want to miss the next video, make sure to turn on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.